So now obviously I'm getting a lot more in. This is another one in. I've got one there just to post off. One there to post off. Then I've got another one here. Just finished this, done, put together this morning. Light on. That's getting sent back as well. But what I found the easiest now is just find the pack that's broken. Take the whole pack out. Put another pack in and fix that pack at my own discretion. Because it takes ages to fix a pack and you just moan about how long it takes for it to fix. So this one here has been in for a recharge. So this has been recharged before. Then he sent it back saying there's a problem. Well, I've checked it on this one and this one's totally gone. So the BMS has pulled all the power out and it's killed this set. So now what I'll do, I'll just take this whole set out and I'll take that set out. I'll put 10 batteries in there and I'll put 10 batteries in there. I'll take them 10 batteries, then I'll bring them back to life. The way I'll bring them back to life. But it takes forever. I've been on since I got up this morning. It's about 10 o'clock now. And it's only got 94 milliamps being put into that. And it's still not fully charged. Obviously I'm doing them 4 batteries out of there. Because we've had water damage again. So our water damage gets in. So there was another one next to that. But this one survived. This one still got full power and full amps. We'll do with a new sticker on the top like I did with that one. Yeah, I'll find one, I'll stick it on. But anyway, we've got the 200 battery there. We've got the 78 battery there. And we've got the 50 battery here. But it's all about these Eskute. ESP 536 volts, 14 amps. They don't even have 14 amps in them. They've only got 12 or something in them. So when I've run the capacity test, they've only got 12 amps in them. And it says it's got 14 in. But short video, same shit. Sorry for swearing, different day.